Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're interested in doing a perfect coffin nail, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we are going to get started with our coffin nail. I've already fitted her with an artificial tip, so now I'm just going to gently push back her cuticles and prep her nail for tip application. When applying your tip, you want to make sure that it reaches from sidewall to sidewall. I'm going to apply a little bit of adhesive and then we're going to attach it to her nail. After applying the tip, I'm going to look at the nail and determine how long I want it to be. I always like to go a little bit longer with my nails to give it more of a sleek appearance. So I'm going to imagine a line down the center of the nail, and because I'm doing a coffin nail, I'm only going to take a very small amount from the sides. This is going to eliminate some of my filing. I'm going to angle my scissors up towards the sidewall and cut slowly towards the top. Now I'm going to grab my hand file and I'm going to file from side to side, slowly taking away a little bit of the bulk. I want to make sure that I'm getting a straight line down to the free edge. When doing this shape, you want to make sure that you're taking away a little bit at a time. You don't want it too narrow at the end. Remember to flip your client's hand facing the other way so that you can see down the top of the nail. This is going to help you get a straight nail from all angles. Now don't forget to push out the filings that remain on the underside of the nail and take those off. This way you can get a better picture of the lines of your nail tip. This is going to help get a clean, sharp shaping. After filing your sidewalls, you want to get your nail file and place it flat, parallel to your cuticle, and you're going to take down a little bit at a time in order to get a straight free edge. When looking at your nail, you want to make sure that the tip is flush with your sidewalls and that it comes to a nice flat free edge. I hope you guys enjoyed this shaping tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit that bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!